problem sometimes is that the Excel spreadsheet has been opened, but for whatever reason it's not visible. So I'm just going to open a spreadsheet here, Control O. And you'll see I've got a spreadsheet here called Excel spreadsheet open but not visible. When I double click it, something happened, but as you can see, I can't see it. So a common reason for this is when you go to the View ribbon, you'll see there's an Unhide button. When I click Unhide, spreadsheets can sometimes be open but not actually seen. So you'll see there's something called Personal and then the spreadsheet we opened. So I'm going to just go to this one, and when I say OK, you can now see the actual spreadsheet. So sometimes this happens because people get confused when they click on View. They probably want to hide the sheet, and there's an option here called Hide, and when you click Hide, it is actually hiding the entire spreadsheet. So again, you just go to View and then the Unhide option here, and you choose the ones you want to unhide.